Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon Wi-Fi extender blinking white. So here are steps for boot or update, pairing issues and reset. Fix 1. Wait for the extender to finish starting. Leave the extender powered on. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Check if the white light turns solid. Fix 2. Move the extender closer to the router. Unplug the extender, plug it into an outlet closer to your Verizon's router. Wait for a few minutes for it to reconnect. Fix 3. Restart the router and the extender. Unplug the extender and your Verizon router. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug the router back in and wait until it's fully online. Plug the extender back in and let it reconnect. Fix 4. Pair the extender again. Press the WPS button on your Verizon router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. Wait for the connection process to finish. Fix 5. Reset the extender. Keep the extender plugged in. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Wait for the extender to restart. Set it up again using the WPS button or the Verizon app. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.